kahapon po, sabi nila, no, ang prosecution daw, parang nanalo na sila eh. Ayun yung victory. They claim that they won day 2. Kumbaga sa rounds po ng boxing. Day 1, supposedly sa defense. Day 2, prosecution daw. And they were saying mahina daw po ang depensa na ipreresenta ng depensa. Do you agree with this, Prof?
Ako, for me kasi, day 1, pinanood ko the whole proceeding. Day 2, pinanood ko the whole proceeding. If you ask me, it's too early for the prosecution to even claim that they won already. It's too early. In the very first place, if you really listen to the prosecutors, even the House of Representative, prosecutors, na yung dalawa na nag-opening statement sa day 1 and even the day 2, even my defensor, they're just so dramatic, They're so dramatic and painting the Vice President as if he is as if she is already like, a very bad person in the entire universe. That's so dramatic because in an impeachment trial, you don't need to do that. You just need to show the evidences and then both sides should examine the evidence. Yun lang yun. Kaya nga nag-o-object kasi it's really a political grandstanding and it's already propaganda na pati yung killing and shooting na nangyari sa Tacloban, igagamitin ni Mike Defensor just to paint na, the Vice President.
Hindi po si Mike Defensor.
Kakampi po niya si Mike Defensor.
Hindi si Defensor, yung
the congressman. The congressman,
hindi si
Mike, hindi si Mike na nakakulong.
Nakakulong, ha? Yung isa, yung nag-deliver na opening statement just to clarify na, alam mo, para sa akin, why do you have to use the incident just to deliver your speech and impeachment? Iko-connect mo dun sa issue na Article 4. And another thing, this is crazy, sabi ko, bakit may ganon? At saka, it's supposed to be just, a legal proceedings and make it so. Huwag na tayong mag-political grandstanding. On the other hand, there is another point that I want to put forward when you say that the prosecutors actually claim victory even in day 1. Mahina ang defense. Actually, the defense is very good, especially Attorney Sheila. She's very competent. It's just that kung titignan mo rin ang comparison, medyo bata ang composition ng defense team ni VP. Medyo bata, younger, compared itong mga veterano ng lawyers na meron ang prosecutors. Prosecution. Kasi imagine mo, andyan ang mga really, mga kumbaga seasoned lawyers na yan, if you really look at them. So, medyo may challenge din on the part of the defense council team ni VP precisely because mas bata sila and when you talk about this kind of proceedings kailangan ng experience.
Correct.
Experience yan. Quick thinking experience.
Sindakan din yan eh.
I would just want to make a statement in as far as the prosecution is concerned, saying that it's a victory. No, it's not a victory for the Philippines and for the Filipino people. Every now and then, political scandal after political scandal na lang ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Wala nang nangyaring matino at wala nang naririnig ang buong mundo kundi political scandal after political scandal. That is not a victory for the Philippines. Definitely not a victory for the Filipino people.